Welcome to our guide on how to learn to trade cryptocurrencies from scratch. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your trading skills, this video will provide you with the essential knowledge and tips to get started in the exciting world of crypto trading. 1. Make a cryptocurrency brokerage account. Before you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency, you need to make an account with a crypto brokerage. eToro, Uphold, and Webull are among the best crypto brokerages on the market. All three of these options offer a simple user interface and a variety of altcoins to choose from. To make an account, you'll need to provide your crypto brokerage with personal identification information, similar to opening an account with a stock brokerage. Some common information you need to provide when setting up your account includes your social security number, address, date of birth, and email address. 2. Fund your account. Once you've signed up with a crypto brokerage, you'll need to connect your bank account. Most crypto brokerages offer bank funding through debit cards and wire transfers. ACH deposit, linked bank account transfer, is typically your cheapest option to fund your account. It's free on most platforms. 3. Pick a crypto to invest in. Most active cryptocurrency traders allocate most of their capital to Bitcoin and Ethereum. These cryptos move more predictably than smaller altcoins, so trading with technical indicators can be easier. Many crypto traders allocate a portion of their capital to smaller altcoins. Although small mid-market cap cryptos are riskier than large market cap cryptos, they offer higher upside potential. Many small altcoins have risen over 1,000% in a matter of months, making them attractive investments for risk-tolerant investors. 4. Choose a strategy. There are a plethora of trading indicators to choose from, and most traders take multiple factors into consideration when buying and selling cryptocurrency. If you're new to investing, you may want to consider purchasing a cryptocurrency trading course. Asia Forex Mentor is a popular choice that can teach you how to invest in foreign currency along with other items, including cryptocurrency. The One Core program has been featured by several financial information sites, and it is a favorite of Benzinga. Check out a review of the platform, consider signing up, and change your approach to trading. If you're an experienced trader, you may already have a strategy you use to trade stocks. Stock trading strategies are also commonly used for cryptocurrencies. A personal favorite trading strategy that many traders use is Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory focuses on the psychology behind the market sentiment, so it works particularly well for speculative assets like cryptocurrencies. 5. Consider automated crypto trading. When you seek out a crypto trading strategy, you might try automated crypto trading. Trading bots enact a strategy that is intended to give you the best results given your investment goals. Because automated trading can provide you with a conservative, neutral, or aggressive method, you can make money quickly, hold your coins, or diversify your portfolio. You might also consider actively trading cryptocurrency on some platforms while using automated trading with others. 6. Store your cryptocurrency. If you're actively trading your cryptocurrency, you'll have to store your funds on the exchange to have access to them. If you're buying your cryptocurrency to hold for the mid to long term, then you should get a cryptocurrency wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets come as software wallets or hardware wallets. Both are secure, but hardware wallets offer the best security as they store your crypto on a physical device, offline. Ledger is a great hardware wallet brand many investors trust to store their crypto assets on. It supports pretty much all the top cryptos and offers great priced wallets that are all you need to keep your coins safe. If you're looking for a software wallet, there are several options on iOS, Google Chrome, and Android that are free to use. One of the best software wallets available to cryptocurrency traders is Zengo. 7. Learn trading methods and staking. There are two trading analysis methods used in the crypto market. They include fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Technical analysis shows the entire price history of a security, for example Bitcoin, while fundamental analysis revolves around the current affairs that affect the price of a security such as news events. A combination of both methods works best to maximize profits. You can always start staking your crypto and earn passive income. This is one of the easiest methods to gain from crypto in the long term. We hope you found this guide helpful in your journey to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies. Remember, practice, patience, and continuous learning are key to becoming a successful trader. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency trading tips and strategies.